For many years, Yutong that attach great importance to ESG building. That we already integrate ESG into our strategic planning and execution. It already incorporated all sections of our company operating management. A few years ago, Yutong initiated that the Zero Carbon Forest campaign, which referred to that Yutong pledged to plant trees. Each vehicle sold each one tree. So after a few years, Yutong already planted over 36,000 trees at home and abroad.
IC12E with a range of 610 kilometers, a climbing ability of 20%, a luggage compartment range 4.5 cubic meters, a maximum seat capacity 59, reliable and durable quality, the intelligent comfort. These features effectively address the pain point of pure electric intercity bus.
I must say this new IC12E is really a nice product, has a real nice design, really good range, and reliability is really good. So I'm sure this will be a #1.
U12 new series is really reliable. It has a really good performance features, over 400 kilometers range, very comfortable for the driver and as well very comfortable for the passengers. It has lithium-ion batteries, LFP, very reliable. Energy recuperation works very well as well. Up to 30% you can save with this new U12 series, and as well the design is very modern and the customers really like it.